Hello friends, welcome to the Art Time channel. So as you can see on the title, today I am going to teach you how to draw a sun. Now get your paper and pen, and also you can use marker and crayon if you want, and then let's get started. First, I'm gonna draw a big round shape. This is how I make a circle. You can use a bowl for the template to make it more easier. And for the eye, I'm gonna draw a 2 circle on this side. And then I'm gonna make another circle on this side. And draw a half circle inside each circle. And add a little smile, and then the eyebrow at the top of the 2 circle, just like this. And then draw a circle for the highlight on the eyes, and then coloring it. Now we have eyes. Now I'm gonna draw the sun ray by drawing a small dot around the circle for the guideline, just like this. And then connect it by drawing a curvy line to every dot around the circle. Now I'm ready to coloring it. I'm gonna coloring this part with a yellow color. In here I'm using a color pencil. You can use marker and crayon. I'm going to fast forward the step so you don't have to wait too long. Now for the sunray, I'm gonna coloring it with orange color. And then add blush under the eye. So we finish. That's all for today. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye.